Angel Kids TV.
Living room. A room where the family sits, watches TV, or talks together. Kitchen. The room where food is cooked and meals are prepared. Bedroom. A room where someone sleeps and keeps their clothes. Bathroom. A room with a toilet, sink, and usually a shower or bathtub. Basement. A room below the main floor, often used for storage. Attic. A space under the roof, sometimes used to store things. Dining room. A room where people eat meals together. Garage. A place to park cars, bikes, or store tools. Hallway. A long space that connects rooms in a house. Chair. A seat for one person. Table. A flat surface with legs, used for eating or working. Bed. A place where you sleep, with a mattress and pillows. Couch or sofa. A soft seat where a few people can sit together. Dresser. A piece of furniture with drawers to keep clothes. Desk. A table where you write, read, or use a computer. Lamp. A small light that stands on a table or floor. Bookshelf. A place to keep books and small items. Cabinet. A box with doors, used to store dishes, food, or other items. Closet. A small room or space to hang clothes or store things. Roof. The top of the house that keeps out rain and snow. Door. A flat piece you open to go in or out of a room or house. Window. A glass opening in a wall that lets in light and air. Wall. The side of a room that separates spaces. Floor. The bottom part of a room where you walk. Ceiling. The top inside part of a room. Stairs. Steps that go up or down to different floors. Chimney. A pipe on the roof that lets smoke go out. Porch. A small area outside the front or back door. Fence. A wall around a yard to keep it safe or private. Broom. A tool to sweep the floor. Mop. A tool to clean the floor with water. Vacuum. A machine that sucks up dirt from carpets. Sponge. A soft thing used to clean dishes or surfaces. Bucket. A container that holds water. Duster. A tool that cleans dust from surfaces. Soap. A cleaner used with water to wash things. Towel. A cloth used to dry things or yourself.
Welcome, welcome, come with me. Let's explore my house, you'll see. In the kitchen we can bake.